Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Plantation local and long distance movers near me. When you need the right moving company for your long distance move, we offer everything you need. Not only will you get safe transportation for your things, but you can also choose from a variety of other services, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Rationalizing the cost of hiring a Florida moving company for a local move might not be easy at first. However, when you realize the many benefits, it becomes much easier. Hiring local movers will save you time and ensure your things arrive faster and safely at your new location. Plus, you won't need to do any of the heavy liftings. The right team of professional movers like 3 Movers will help streamline your local moves. If you want to get settled in faster, hiring the right local movers makes it possible. We can complete your move in just a few hours or a single day, while it might take you as long as a week. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Plantation moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.